Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of November 2025. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others live. So here we go. This is how it all went down. The setup is this. We're looking for our strong candle indicator, which we have right here. The market's come down, failed miserably here, and then we get our first strong candle going in the opposite direction. So all we need is a little bit of a pullback on this, and we can use the retrace for our stop so that we don't have hundreds of ticks at risk. So we just need to wait for the retrace and we'll go. Now, the market's been kind of scattered as far as its volume is concerned. Not bad. I expect the next handle to be anywhere between 80 and 120 ticks long. So we're going to use our medium range ATM. So we're going to go for 16s, 31s. We're going to throw our last target out there to 91 ticks since it is a little bit stronger than normal. So there we go. So we just need this to push back here to yesterday's high, and then we'll take it long. Uh, and here's how it all went down. Well, there's the pushback into the brick wall. Now we just wait need to be picked up. And as soon as we're picked up, we'll speed up the replay and show you how we all did. Doo, doo. This is regular market speed right here. As soon as we make sure all of our targets are there, so there we go. So we'll give it a little bit of room here. So now we'll speed it up. Once our first target's hit, we will de-risk the trade completely. See how the stop went all the way up? Now we will put a new order up here just in case we need it. So if this market comes back and takes us out, we have an opportunity to re-enter the trade. So we have re-entered the still market speed, so you can see it was pretty quick. We'll speed it up just a little bit. We don't want to be here all day going for our 90 tick target. We had plenty of room, plenty of time. And now we just need to be patient. Get green line fever here. Oh, so close yet so far. It's hard to be patient when it gets that close to your target. Now, what a lot of people do is when it gets that close, they'll move their stop up to within 10 ticks and say it's not worth the market coming all the way back and getting nothing out of this. If I take it out 10 ticks short, I'm going to be fine. So we could have done that same thing, but we're going to let everything play out the way exactly as it did in the live trading room. All right, we're at 4-time market speed right now. All right, there we go. We had to wait an extra candle, an extra 10, 15 seconds. So that entire trade took 5 minutes and 10 seconds, 5 minutes and 15 seconds, and was worth 765 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 765 US dollars in little over 5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room very soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.